Yeah. Right. Here we go on Chipperfields Around the World Starflyer. Just to let you know, this thing is absolutely huge and there's fog everywhere, so this is going to be interesting. I think there's a lot of fog, but it will be surreal at the top. Like, here we go. There we go. There's no cursing. We're not even halfway there. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Still not even there yet. And we're at the top. Oh my goodness, what a view, like. Don't look down or up. It's like, oh, this is cool, like with all the fog. Look at that, look, altitude looks tiny. There's the lovely RDS, the crazy mice. And that would be a long fall. 60 metres. One of the tallest travelling rides in the UK. Oh my goodness, it's freezing too, like. Oh, that fall though. Still going. I'm coming back down now. That's fun, mate. I know. And we're slowing down.